Hello, how are you?
Before you go, sorry to bug. I just want to ask. Sorry. My name is Jessa. May I know your name?
Please.
Are you vlog?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
USA.
USA.
Yes.
We're just campaigning for good cause. Are you familiar with Save the Children,
Yes.
sir?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Sure, okay.
Sir, are you a vlogger, sir?
Yes, yes.
Hi, vlog.
Hi.
Okay. Sir, this our what we're trying to do. We're finding someone who love to help for this kind of kids here in the Philippines. And I just want to ask, I just want to say thank you for stopping also to your vlog.
You're welcome.
Also for listening and understanding to the whole program. Sir, may I know how big is your heart for these kids if you go to the bigger or biggest? It's up to you.
Biggest.
Yes, sir. Bigger, biggest.
You know what's gonna be bad about this?
Oh.
I was in where I live at in Philadelphia. I was walking and recording and
Well.
Save the Children in Philadelphia. And I said, sorry, not right now. And it's on my videos. So people are gonna say, you didn't stop in Philly, but you stopped in the Philippines.
Okay, sir, any valid
So
IDs
I want to hear about it.
Yes. Any valid IDs to start, sir?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you
So
much.
they're going to say something.
Hi, what's your name again?
My real name is Les.
Les?
Yeah. But my name
Hi
here.
to Sir's Les.
Well, here is
Can I see?
less is more adventures.
Les Adventures.
Yeah.
Say hi to your blog. She's so cute. Okay. Okay, sir. What card did you use? It is a Master or Visa?
It's MasterCard. Hold on.
Where you go, sir?
I'm going right now. I'm going to Manila for
Manila.
2 nights, and then I'm going home.
Okay.
I've been here for 3. I've been here for 3 weeks.
For
3 weeks.
vacation, sir?
I've been here 3 weeks. Yeah, vacation.
Yeah.
Sir is very adventurous.
Yeah, yes.
Sir, you choose a bigger ride for
Yes,
1,000.
yes.
Wait for a while, sir. Sorry to bother you. Monthly credit is dito po PA.
Sir, thank you so much for supporting.
Oh, you're welcome. No
We
problem.
really appreciate you.
No problem. No
Ay,
problem.
di siya
My pleasure.
mag-check.
Okay, let me check, sir. Sorry because it's she's still a trainee, sir. I'm so sorry
Okay.
about that. You forgot to click the mail.
Ah, kaya pala.
Yes, so here is that. Let me recheck first, sir. Okay. So
What is the time of your flight, sir?
I think it's boards at 4:15. So
450. Oh yeah.
4:15 at board.
Last time.
4:55.
Lastly, sir, your signature.
So I sign with my finger.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Right here.
Hi, it's a
Yes.
vlog.
Okay.
That's so sloppy. That's so sloppy.
Okay.
You saved that. That's
Sir,
sloppy.
you don't have any question for this
Less?
organization?
No,
Okay.
not
I have
yet.
4 questions with you, so be ready.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, what is the name of the organization that you supported as of now or today?
Save the Children.
Wow.
Oh,
How much is your pledge, sir?
1,000
How long?
pesos.
How long do you want to stay with me? I try. Stay with us.
Sorry. Oh, that's good. For long time.
At least 24 months, sir. Then
okay.
Okay. Lastly, my name.
Jessa.
Oh yes, very
Jessa.
good. Okay, thank you, sir.
Last, sir.
Let me take a picture.
Picture for documentary.
Yeah, let's do
Yeah,
that.
sure. Wish you all the best.
Thank you
Good
all, too.
health and God bless you more.
Thank you.
Keep helping others.
Yeah.
Guys, look at Sir.
Yes.
Sir Les,
He's helping a lot of children already here in the Philippines.
Yes. I'm gonna get that. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Ciao.
Thank
Safe
you. All right,
flight.
bye. Thank you all. It was fun.
Thank you. God
Thank you.
bless.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless, sir. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. All right, y'all.
Thank you. Sir, what's your page? So that we can
Less
also
is
follow
more adventures. Yeah, I'm gonna do
Yeah,
it.
you have YouTube
I'll
channel.
edit this in a couple days.
Ooh.
I'll edit it when I
Yeah,
go to
yeah.
channel.
Manila.
You have YouTube channel?
Yeah, do you have? Yeah, I'm gonna
Less
follow
is more adventures.
you. Leslie Moore?
Less is more. L-E-S. I-S.
I-S?
More.
More.
Yeah, less is more adventures. It's all one word.
Okay.
Less is more is one word.
What do you mean?
L-E-S, I-S is all one word.
Ah, okay. Like this?
Yeah, less is more is all one word.
Ah, okay.
The items too, yeah. And adventure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Like
yeah, less is
no
more.
space.
Yeah, no space. Less
Okay,
is more.
sure. I'm gonna search it.
Then space, then adventures.
Okay, space and then adventures.
Yeah.
Adventurous. Oh, here, adventure.
Is that me? That's that guy?
Yeah, is
That's
this
that
you?
guy there. I am.
Ooh,
That's me.
less is more.
That's me.
Oh, I got it. Less is more.
Less is more. Yeah. Because some people
So
they call
cool.
me Les back home.
Yeah, yeah.
Some people say, "Oh, less is more." It's a joke.
They also call me Luis is for the highest. Like that.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. I got the highest score in my subject, and then they call me Luis.
So they always call you that.
Yeah, because you get
That's
you get
cute.
it.
That's cute. I get it. That's cute.
Yes, thank you
That's
so
cute.
much, Sir Les.
Nice meeting you, bro.
Nice meeting you too. Thank you. God bless.
Welcome.
Yeah. So,
All right. All
did you
right.
get the chance to travel again here?
I will.
Yeah,
I will.
sure.
I was just here 9 months ago.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Soon.
Yeah, so December or March, I'll be back.
Sir, actually, we have the same birth month. I'm
March?
also I'm March
4th?
14.
March 14th?
Yeah,
Okay.
14. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Close.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. Thank you.
All right, thank
God
you.
bless.
Nice meeting you.
Nice
I mean it. All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Sa tabang.
Last few remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines on flight BR23821 for Siargao. Or your flight bound to remain number 26B. Once again, last few remaining passengers on Philippine Airlines on flight BR23821 for Siargao. On your flight bound to remain number 26B. Good afternoon and thank you for waiting. Pacific Airline 5G 2491 for Jensen. Is now ready to accept guests travel within 5 to small children. Addressing guests and the guests with special assistance. Passenger guests are purchased priority boarding to carry over first to gate number 5. Please hold your boarding pass together with valid ID ready to present and the seat punctually. Remaining guests are requested to please check in seated until the next boarding call. Once again, Cebu Pacific Airline 5G 2491 for Johnson is now ready for boarding to gate number 5 to an flight.